Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking down the essentials. Make Home Assistant reachable on your LAN with a static IP or DHCP reservation so addresses won't change. Next, choose your remote method. Nabu Casa for simplicity, Duck DNS Plus lets encrypt for free HTTPS, or a VPN for maximum privacy. Make sure you have router admin access and a secure password stored in a manager. Once done, you're ready to configure the add-on or VPN client. Don't delay, begin the chosen method now. You now set up the connection. Install the Duck DNS add-on in Home Assistant and add your domain, or enable Nabu Casa in integrations and copy its token. If using Duck DNS, configure Let's Encrypt within the add-on to get TLS certificates. Nabu Casa handles HTTPS automatically, which saves time. Configure your router only if absolutely required. Forward minimal ports, or better, set up a VPN so you avoid exposing ports. Make sure Home Assistant accepts trusted proxies and restart the service. You finish by testing access from an external network. Open your Duck DNS or Nabu Casa URL and confirm the HTTPS lock icon and valid certificate. Enable two-factor authentication on your Home Assistant account and restrict trusted networks so only intended devices connect. Verify automations still work and check logs for authentication or proxy errors. If something fails, examine port forwards, firewall rules, certificate expiry dates, and DNS propagation. One key troubleshooting tip: clear device DNS cache and retry, because stale DNS often causes connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.